Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display before and after prices for product on sale in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display product prices in before and after format. Now you see regular price and sale price. So we are going to add custom code. So we will use our code for simple product, external product or group product. Now go to dashboard. Now scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it, then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open, scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this code is used for simple product, external product and group product. Now scroll down, you see before and after text. Now you see, so you can add text according to your requirement, and then you see currency sign. So you can customize this part according to your requirement. Now you see before text and after text. So you can add text according to your requirement, and then you see currency symbol, dollar sign, and then you see class, custom text. If you want you can add some styling for before and after text, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. So this is a simple product. Now refresh the page. Now you see regular price before $20.5, and then you see sale price. Now show after. Now you see, so you can change text according to your requirement, and you can add currency symbol according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.